Alright, looky here. We got the entire Grim crew today. Obviously, I'm Big D and I am the Grim Rider. Yup. Back here, we got Nick the Noob. Oh. Yeah. And my wife Renee. Hi. We got Grim, we got Sporty, and we got the Intruder over there. And it's a beautiful, like 80-degree day. And we're gonna go a little bit further than Nick the Noob's ever gone before.
Hopefully soon before I implode on myself.
Oh yeah, Aubrey's. And if you've never heard of Aubrey's, then shame on you, because they're fantastic. So that's where we're going, and then get some ice cream later. Gotta have that. So we're gonna make a pretty good sized loop on a gorgeous day, and if we feel like it, we might even just go further. How about that? Just like, no, because I gotta work, huh?
You have to go to work.
Boo! One quick update for you. I put little updates on the bottom of the screen in the previous two videos. The merchandise store for the t-shirts and the hats and the stickers and all that, that is officially up and running. So here's the link, and I'll drop it also down in the description. Go and check that out and pick up your Grim Rider merchandise. Become part of the Grim crew.
Get some of this.
Get some of this and some of that. And rock it and sport it. With that being said, it's time to fire up these hogs, and it's time to roll. So join us for the ride.
Out of my face.
Mmm, tasty. How's that burger, bro? About that good.
It's pretty light.
Yummy. Guys, she hates the camera. Oh, that was good. That was tasty.
That was good, yeah.
That was good. I may have made a mistake. I might have had a little too much.
Yep, baby.
I'm feeling it a little bit.
Yeah,
You know?
that's what's getting it.
Yeah. But
each other now.
Very well worth it.
Put ice cream in these bad boys.
I know, right? I know. But that's because Aubrey's is awesome, and I didn't want to waste much, and I still wasted some. But regardless, we're getting ready to jump back on the bikes and head back on down the road. If you're ever in the Adrian area, make sure you stop by Aubrey's. They'll hook you up, make you fat.
It was quite delicious.
It was very good.
Close.
Close. You know what's messed up about that? You know what's really messed up about that? We had
About
to
that.
we had to pass a spotted cow to come to the spotted cow.
Yeah, and that one was open.
I know. Like,
just thinking
it's just our luck. I'm thinking, oh, that one's open. I'm thinking, well, they all got to be open then. Nope. That's what I get for thinking. See, I shouldn't think. I should just do.
Exactly.
I know we were talking about that earlier already.
That's what I said. Don't think, do.
All right. So
101.
now all of a sudden we're on the hunt for some ice cream.
Yep.
So it's time to get back on the road.
Oh, we're getting some ice cream.
Oh yeah, we gotta find it somewhere.
Best believe that.
Exactly. It's gotta happen. Stick around. We getting back on the road because we're on the hunt. Want some ice cream? Shiver Shack. And that ice cream. Yeah, buddy.
On some ice cream. Right, it's my ice cream, Lieutenant Dan.
Yeah, Lieutenant Dan. I got you some ice cream.
Duck it right in the toilet.
Got it all over your beard.
Hey,
I wear my ice cream.
if your ice cream ain't on you, you ain't eating it right.
Right.
But it's been an amazing day. I think we're actually going to cut this video off right about here.
Are we?
Yeah, so, but
It's been a fantastic day in the Wolverine State, man.
it has been a great day. Now, actually, I did want to bring something up to you, though. I think we need to come up with a list of goals for Nick the Noob for the coming riding season. Yeah, we'll come up with like a little list of things that he still needs to accomplish on his motorcycle. Like number 1, ride on the freeway.
I'll pass. Not on this bike.
50 miles in a day.
Oh, I was gonna say 100, but
Okay.
100 miles in a day.
How would you manage that?
Conquer the Irish Hills.
Yeah, that's definitely on the list.
Yeah, that's on the list. All right, so we might have to come
Still
back.
probably need a different bike for that though. Poor intruder can't keep up. Almost got blew away in the wind today.
Yeah, right. Like a sail.
I was go a high five God there for a minute.
But we might have to actually come back to you. We'll discuss this list a little bit more, and then bring you the list. And then as we continue this riding season, we'll just start, checking them off the list. Give them some goals.
I think goal is accomplished.
Goal for the day is accomplished. Full belly and then some Zanzibar chocolate. Yeah, buddy. Anyways, with that being said, make sure that you check out the merchandise store. Link is in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. I am Big D. I am the Grim Rider. That's Nick the Noob stuffing his face with strawberries. And Renee over here. Just like these guys are out of the damn minds. Alright guys, until next time, we'll catch you down the road.